Welcome back to Animal Appreciation. This week we are talking about dolphins. Of course, we've got to start off with the most well-known dolphin, the bottlenose dolphin. These guys are found in temperate and tropical waters pretty much all throughout the world. They're a pretty common dolphin to see. Up next we have the spotted dolphin. Guess why they're named that? But they're found throughout the Atlantic Ocean, again in warmer, temperate and tropical waters, all the way from the east coast of the United States and Mexico, down to Brazil, all the way over to the west coast of Africa. Next up we have my second favorite dolphin species, the spinner dolphin, and they are named that because they are, like, most dolphins are pretty acrobatic, but these guys are, like, especially known for, like, crazy leaps out of the water where they do a bunch of crazy spins, so they're even more acrobatic than regular dolphins. These guys again live in warm waters, mainly throughout the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, and also down into the Indian Ocean, so all over. Next we have probably the most well-known dolphin species, but that is not well-known for being a dolphin. The orca whale, killer whale, but it's not a whale, it's a dolphin. These guys, again, live pretty much all over the world, but they prefer colder waters, so up around Canada, Alaska, Norway, Greenland, all around there. They're really neat. They're the largest species of dolphin, and again, one of my favorites. Next we have the Amazon river dolphin, also known as the pink river dolphin, also known as the Boto dolphin, and as you may have guessed from the first name, it lives in the Amazon River in South America. So they can kind of be found in a lot of South American countries, just basically wherever the Amazon River is, so like Brazil, Bolivia, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, all of those countries. Continuing the string of kind of funny-looking dolphin species, this is the Irrawaddy dolphin, and it is one of the endangered dolphins. There's lots of these dolphin species are endangered. I have this one on my list for endangered species spotlight, however, it is not the most endangered. So these guys are found in coastal regions as well as in some rivers in Southeast Asia, so around Myanmar, all those areas. And they look kind of silly. We've got another interesting looking pink dolphin, the Taiwanese humpback dolphin. And as the name suggests, it lives in a very, very small region off the coast of Taiwan, and it's got a hump on its back. Crazy. Here's another goofy looking one, and I am absolutely obsessed with this picture, the false killer whale. So false killer whales, much like regular killer whales, are dolphins. They are not whales, but that's kind of a whole thing, but whatever. They are found, again, in most oceans around the world, in the more tropical, temperate, and subtropical areas, so again, like many dolphins, they prefer the warm waters. Here's another dolphin that I'm pretty partial to, the dusky dolphin, and they have some pretty neat patterns. I love the designs they've got going on there. So they live pretty much entirely in the southern hemisphere, so around South America, the bottom parts of Africa, and then around a bunch of areas in New Zealand. Another neat looking one, the Commerson's dolphin, who live around a bunch of areas off the coast of South America, mainly lower South America, so like Argentina, Chile, and some areas around the Falkland Islands. This is probably my favorite type of dolphin, the Pacific white-sided dolphin, and as you may have guessed, it lives in the Pacific Ocean, mainly up in the more northern areas, so up off the coast of British Columbia and Alaska, and then like, I don't know American geography, but whatever's on the east coast of the states. And I am particularly biased towards these guys. This is a video that my mom took back in 2013 when her and my grandma and my sister and I all took a trip out to Vancouver Island, and we went on a marine whale watching trip, and we actually saw a ton of these dolphins. This was like 10 years ago at this point. How old am I? I was 11, and this was an absolutely amazing experience. They stayed with our boat for like hours. There was so many of them, and so this is kind of why I'm biased towards them, and they're my favorite dolphin species. The last one is kind of two subspecies of dolphin grouped into one. This one is the Hector dolphin, which is the smallest species of dolphin, and it is only found off the coast of New Zealand. And this is its kind of subspecies, the Maui dolphin, which is the rarest type of dolphin, again, only found around New Zealand. So, there are a lot more dolphin species, but this is just kind of some of the ones that I think are the most interesting and that I like the best.